Hey friends, this is Atif of Well and welcome to the update on Badger. In my earlier videos, I was showing you that the price of Badger broke out another symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame chart, and this was one of those videos. Now, if we move to the live daily time frame, then you can see that after the breakout, we had a nice pump and the price and retested the previous resistance of the triangular support and once again geared up. And by the way, the technical target for the breakout from this triangle was here. That was approximately at $5.06, and you can see that the price and almost reached there. It moved up to $4.81, and again moved down, retested the previous resistance of the triangular support and geared up, and now it is moving above this very long-term support of $3.50. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $3.50 had been recently breaking as a very strong resistance here, support here, resistance here, and support here. Therefore, again, it is breaking at a very nice support. And despite this long spike to the downside, Bryson could not break it down. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. Just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like there's a trade setup for PHB, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this setup, like this trade signal I shared on 29th of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also want the complete trade signal as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Badger. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we broke out the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. And after the breakout, we had a nice short pump, and the price has almost hit the target for the breakout from this triangle. And for several days, you can see that the price has been testing this very long-term support after the breakout. Now, this previous resistance that was here at $3.50 is now flipped into a support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several weeks, in fact, it's getting accumulated above this support. We had a long spike here, we had a spike here, but could not break it down so far. And if we take a look at the previous history of the support of $3.50, then you can see that previously it had been working as support here. For a few weeks, it had been working as a resistance here as well, and resistance here and support here. Therefore, again, it is working at a very, very nice support. For example, if the price breaks it down, then we can test the next support here. That will be approximately at $2.60. That is also another very long-term support because this $2.60 has been previously working as a very strong support here and support here for several weeks. And here it was also working as support. And again, it can work as a very, very strong support for the price line of Badger. Now, the next resistance, the coming resistance is here at $5.70. That was previously working as a resistance here. And before that, it was also working as a resistance here as well, almost for 2 weeks. And here, by the way, we also had a long spike, but the price could not break out this resistance. And this time it can again work at a very strong resistance for the price line of Badger. And here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this very big and long-term falling wedge pattern. And the long-term target for the breakout from this wedge is, by the way, here at the top of the wedge. That is somewhere between $45 to $50. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.